And welcome back to another Tracy Lifestyle Thursday. And could you guess by the title what we're doing today? Good guess, because we're gonna do a little mini fashion haul, you know? Some of y'all wanted me to go like shopping with you or something. We will do that a long way, but today I put together a little Burlington coat factory fashion haul for y'all. So I hope you guys like it. And it's totally my first time trying it on. Each outfit I ended up loving, right? Got a really good deal. I'm a good bargain shopper. I don't know if y'all know that, but you know, okay. Like this piece right here, you'll see it last. It's a cute little romper. I'm wearing the heels, right? Because we wear it with every single outfit, because I wear heels every single day, every single month of every single year. You know what I'm saying? It's a thing. So, with no further ado, let's get to the little shopping haul. Yeah. So this is the first outfit. Nope. That's it. I love the little material on this. So it's like that, like kind of tight, but like, you know, and little booty, itty bitty, whatever. Yeah, like okay. The shoes are totally not included, but I always gotta wear it. You know what I'm saying? Off to the next one. So this is the second outfit, right? And these are different jeans, right? Super cute shirt. But instead of like keeping it out like this, what I prefer to do is to tuck it in. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes just like in the front is fine, you know, to create that illusion. Or you tuck it in, right? Best to me, I think it looks nice. Ooh. Tell me this shirt isn't super cute. Not even tucked in. See that? But I like to tuck everything in, so it's done, you know? But okay, loving it, loving it. And how could you not? For $8.99? I'm telling y'all, these jeans. On to the next outfit, right? Here we go. I don't know if you guys are loving this shit as much as I am, but like, or not, this was cute. I love it. Ooh. And this was $7.99, y'all. This romper was literally only $5.99. I was like, okay. This romper is just so cute. Like the buttons were like, oh my god, that's so cute. This I already knew it was gonna look good. The material itself is like kind of stretchy, but like not. You know, I don't know. I love it. But on to the next. Here we go. Do I blend in? No. Tell me this isn't super cute. Like titties. You know, like it's just so cute. You can't deny it. And this is a runner, right? Little. And literally, this was only $3.99. What? Good sales, and I'm a good bargain shopper. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little fashion haul of mine. I'm sorry if it's a little bit loud. But we'll have more little fun things like this pretty soon. So stay tuned, y'all. Don't forget to hit the little bell button after you subscribe, because I know you're gonna want to see more of my videos. Okay. Hey. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.